So guys, another day, another task. It's late. I'm not sure what time it is, but basically, as you can see, I got it outside. Been kind of busy here in the shop, so I pull it outside. But I got the bracket today for the Volvo power steering, you could say, or hydraulic pump, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I'll show you. I didn't really made any videos of me making it because actually I saw that on a forum where they mount it right in the front, so they got a really nice write-up for it. Plus I'm doing it at night, so it's really hard to actually get any light there or a quality video. So yeah, you guys can look it up and if you want more details on it, but I'll kind of show you what I did. Okay, so as you can see, we got it mounted in the front bumper area. I saw a few people doing it like on this general area, and I didn't like that because I really want to keep my windshield washers. That's something that we're gonna need if you're gonna drive it on the street. So okay, coming back to this, it's really simple. I decided to make it out of aluminum. I'm learning to do TIG welding, so I figured it was a nice way to practice. So pretty much it's just one rod coming down. Actually, this one's a little bit too long. I gotta cut it. And then there's two pieces. They're cut. I think it was like a 20 on an angle, 20%. Well, not 20%, not 20 degrees. And then on this side, there's another bracket that bolts to the bumper. So the bottom bolt on the bumper is welded there as well. And then it just goes to one, let's see, right, one bolt here. And then this one, where it splits there, so it goes to one bolt here and the other one on this side. So it's insulated, as you can see, it has the rubber there. That's why I kind of waited for the base, because when it's running, it's going to vibrate and you can break the base. So it might as well just have the insulation there, so it kind of absorbs the vibration on it. So now I just gotta wire it up. So I'm doing the wiring, super simple, just one wire. The farther it's like gray and blue, or green maybe, gray and green, and then the positive and negative, this goes to positive as well. I'm running all these through here. Found a lead wire, which I got here already, and then these two are gonna connect to the negative and the positive they have, the two big ones. And I got a fuse that goes, a 60 amp fuse that goes in the middle, so I'm gonna place it somewhere around here. And that's it. Basically, this has power all the time, and when I switch the ignition on, this will have power. Powers the pump, and that's pretty much it. So I'll show you when it's done. Okay, so got the cables here. Coming over here, splits here. That's the fuse right here. Back it off. That's the fuse. That's the ground. So the fuse comes to the positive, ground comes here, and then I have my other cable coming all the way up here, where I got my signal, and that's it. So pretty simple. And next, we're still waiting for the drive shaft. It's taking a while, so but hopefully that gets done. I don't know if I think I should I gotta finish this up here, putting zip ties on that, and then they're gonna put the front end on it and wait for that drive shaft, see if it comes in. Well guys, she's complete, looking like a car again for the first time in like, I don't know, a year maybe. Still gotta do a couple stuff. Running some issues with the bracket. I had to cut the bumper there. I'm not happy about that. Not happy at all. And the worst part is that it could have easily been modified if I would have done my job properly. But I didn't do it. Got lazy. I just follow somebody else's bill. And it bit my ass. That's why you always gotta look at your stuff and then modify a little bit. But yeah, I'll show you, get it running for you, show you the power steering, and plug the battery so I don't have issues. So basically you can hear the pump running. That's it on that. Power steering is working. Power brakes are working. I got the front end done, but not done. I gotta put in place. Still gotta line it up and tighten up the gaps and secure everything. And I still gotta do the wiring for the front. So yeah, just kind of threw that on there. Waiting for Driveshaft, that's holding me back big time. They called me today. They said should be done maybe he said I think it was Monday, so we'll see about that. But yep, pretty happy with the way it's turned out.